Common mistake we do when writing calf. Calf shouldn't be written this way, but this way. This is wrong, but this is correct. Why? This is an hamza and this is a calf standing in this lam sign. The same way we do have hamza standing on either alif or ya or standing on wa. Example, we have ulaika. This is hamza and this is hamza, but this is kaf. Just like kaf in our kalbu, kalbu, or in kitab, whenever kaf is standing alone or standing as the last letter of a word, kaf usually stand on this sign like lam. So just like we say diku, and the like, or when you are writing kaf singularly, it is written this way. This is kaf. Take for instance in the Holy Quran, ulaika. Just look at it, you find out this hamza is different from this. This is not hamza, this is kaf. And just like it is written here, like an S, this is the same thing. Just like the way we do have hamza also standing on some letters. Example, we say Amin. Hamza standing on alif. We have mu'min. Hamza standing on wa. Okay, we have qari'u. Just like we say qari'u. This is hamza standing on a ya. So also a kaf stands on a lam whenever it's at the end of a word or when kaf is standing alone. So write kaf this way and not this way. This is hamza and not a kaf. Assalamu alaikum.